Calculate the simple interest for a principal amount of 1000 at a rate of 5% per annum for 2 years. P is equal to 1000, R is equal to 5, T is equal to 2. SI is equal to what? SI is equal to P into R into T by 100 is equal to 1000 into 5 into 2 by 100. Correct answer is 100. Find the amount 3 years if the principal amount is 2000 at a simple interest rate of 4% per annum. P is equal to 2000, R is equal to 4, T is equal to 3, SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. 2000 into 4 into 3 by 100. SI is equal to 240. Then total amount A is equal to P plus SI, principal amount plus SI, simple interest. So 2000 plus 240 is equal to 2240 is the correct answer. What is the principal amount if the simple interest earned in 5 years at a rate of 6% annum is 300? SI is equal to 300, R is equal to 6, T is equal to 5, P is equal to what? SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Then P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. 300 into 100 by 6 into 5. 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. That is the correct answer. If 5000 is invested at a simple interest rate of 7% per annum, how much interest will it earn in 4 years? P is equal to 5000, R is equal to 7, T is equal to 4, SI is equal to what? SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. 5000 into 7 into 4 by 100. 1400 is the correct answer. How many years will it take for a sum of 1500 to earn 450 as simple interest rate, a rate of interest 5% per annum? SI is equal to 450, P is equal to 1500, R is equal to 5, SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Therefore, T is equal to SI into 100 by R into P. 450 into 100 by 1500 into 5. Correct answer is 6 years. What is the simple interest on 2500 for 3 years at an interest rate of 8% per annum? P is equal to 2500, R is equal to 8, T is equal to 3, SI is equal to 2500 into 8 into 3 by 100. Correct answer is 600. Find the total amount after 5 years if 1800 is invested at a simple interest rate of 6% per annum. P is equal to 1800, R is equal to 6, T is equal to 5. SI is equal to 1800 into 6 into 5 by 100. Correct. Total amount A is equal to P plus SI. P is equal to 1800 plus SI is equal to 540. The total amount is 2340 rupees. If the simple interest on a certain sum of 4 years at 9% per annum is 720, what is the principal amount? SI is equal to 720, R is equal to 9, T is equal to 4. P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. 720 into 100 by 9 into 4. Correct answer is 2000. What is the rate of interest per annum if a sum of 3000 earn 450 as simple interest in 3 years? SI is equal to 450, P is equal to 3000, T is equal to 3, R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. 450 into 100 by 3000 into T into 3. %5 is the correct answer. Calculate the simple interest on 3500 at a rate of 7% per annum for 2.5 years. P is equal to 3500, R is equal to 7, T is equal to 2.5. SI is equal to 3500 into 7 into 2.5 by 100. Correct answer is 612.5. If 4000 is invested for 4 years and the interest earned is 960, what is the rate of interest per annum? SI is equal to 960, P is equal to 4000, T is equal to 4, R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. 960 into 100 by 4000 into 4. %6 is the correct answer. How long will it take for a sum of 1200 to double itself at a simple interest rate of 5% per annum? P is equal to 1200, R is equal to 5. total amount A is equal to P plus SI. According to question, amount is equal to 2 into P is equal to 2 into 1200 is equal to 2400. SI is equal to A minus P. 2400 minus 1200 is equal to 1200. T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. SI is equal to 1200 into 100. 1200 into 5. Correct answer is 20 years. What will be the amount after 7 years if 1500 is invested at a simple interest rate of 5% per annum? P is equal to 1500. R is equal to 5. P is equal to 7. SI is equal to 1500 into 5 into 7 by 100. Simple interest is 520. Total amount A is equal to P plus SI. 1500 plus 525. Correct answer is 2025. If a sum of 2500 earned 625 as interest in 5 years, what is the rate of interest? SI is equal to 625. P is equal to 2500. T is equal to 5. R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. 625 into 100 by 2500 into 5. Correct answer is 5%. How much interest will be earned on 3600 at 4% per annum for 3.5 years? P is equal to 3600. R is equal to 4. T is equal to 3.5. Simple interest is equal to 3600 into 4 into 3.5 by 100. Correct answer is 504. Calculate the principal amount if the interest earned in 2 years at a rate of 10% per annum is 500. SI is equal to 500. R is equal to 10. T is equal to 2. P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. 500 into 100 by 10 into 2. Correct answer is 2500. If 8000 is invested for 6 years at a simple interest rate of 5% per annum, what will be the total amount? P is equal to 8000. R is equal to 5. T is equal to 6. Simple interest is equal to 8000 into 5 into 6 by 100 is equal to 80 into 30. So simple interest is equal to 2400. Total amount A is equal to P plus SI. 8,000 plus 2,400 is equal to 10,400 is the correct answer. How many years will it take for 900 to earn 180 as simple interest at a rate of 4% per annum? Simple interest is equal to 180. P is equal to 900. R is equal to 4. T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. 180 plus 100 by 900 into 4.